It is important to mention that cybercrime poses a major threat due to growing digitization and e-commerce. Goa Police Cyber Cell has been made fully functional to deal with the growing menace of cybercrime. The anti-narcotics cell deserves appreciation for having criminals involved in drug peddling. The cell has seized huge quantities of drugs, including some major seizures. 207 cases have been registered during the current year by ANC and local police, amounting to a seizure of more than 84 kgs of drugs. 50 foreign nationals has so far been detained, out of which 35 has already been deported. Process for the deportation of rest of the 50 is on.